you ever looked at your bank account and thought, something has to change? Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, or you feel like no matter how hard you work, your money just disappears. Well, here's the truth. You can completely change your finances in just 6 months. And no, you don't need to win the lottery or get a second job. As a professional accountant, I'm going to break it down step by step. This isn't theory. It's a proven, realistic plan that has helped countless people move from financial stress to financial success. So grab a pen, because by the end of this video, you'll have a practical roadmap to take control of your money and your future. Step 1, get crystal clear on your numbers. The first week is all about awareness. Track every single expense, even that random coffee or mobile recharge. Use a simple spreadsheet or free apps like Mint or YNAB. Know exactly what's coming in and what's going out. This step alone will open your eyes. Trust me, most people are losing money just because they're not paying attention. Step 2, create a personal budget that actually works. Now that you have your numbers, build a personal budgeting plan. Assign every dollar a job. Savings, bills, essentials, and personal spending. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule if you're a beginner. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. Don't make it too strict. If your budget feels like punishment, you won't follow it. Step 3, cut out silent money leaks. This is where the magic happens. Cancel unused subscriptions, avoid impulsive shopping, and review your bank fees. Start cooking at home more, limit takeouts, and negotiate your bills like internet or insurance. These small changes will free up hundreds every month without feeling deprived. Step 4, build an emergency fund. With money saved from your new habits, start building an emergency fund. Even Rs $500 or $10 a week adds up. Your goal? Save at least 1 month of expenses within the next 60 days. This fund is your financial safety net. No more falling into debt when life throws a curveball. Step 5, eliminate high interest debt. Debt is the enemy of financial peace. Focus on high interest loans first, like credit cards or payday loans. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method, whichever motivates you. As you pay off one, roll that payment into the next. This creates momentum and motivation. Step 6, increase your income strategically. Cutting expenses is great, but boosting your income is powerful. Consider freelancing, remote side gigs, or turning your skills into income. Even a few extra hours a week can speed up your financial goals. Bonus tip: any new income should go straight into debt repayment or savings, not lifestyle upgrades. Step 7, automate and stay consistent. By now, your financial habits are changing. You're spending less, saving more, and thinking smarter. Now it's time to automate. Auto-transfer savings, auto-pay bills, auto-invest if possible. This removes willpower from the equation and sets you up for long-term financial success. If you follow these steps for just 6 months, your relationship with money will transform. You'll feel more confident, more in control, and less stressed. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a fresh start with their finances. Your journey to a better future starts here.